Hi everyone. This is the first video in a series where I'll show you how to build the Master Painter paint rack. For the drawer, I take two basic walls and add 4 snakebite connectors to each. Then, I slide the basic rail into the snakebite connectors. I connect a right rail and a left rail using the rail connectors, creating 2 large rails for the drawer. I slide the 2 large rails into the 2 basic rails that are connected with the basic wall. Now put the drawer from above into the large rails. After this I add 4 double snakebite connectors to the middle back wall, and connect to back wall with the basic wall from behind. It's done and we have our first drawer for the paint rack. Now, I'll show you how to connect an additional drawer. First, I'll build a double drawer. To start, I connect 4 snakebite connectors with a basic wall. Then, I add 4 snakebite connectors on the basic wall from the drawer we already made. Now, I slide the basic rail into the snakebite connectors. After this, I slide the left rail into the left basic wall and the right rail into the right basic wall. Starting with the bottom drawer, you just need to put the mini drawer from above into the rails. For the back side, I use the right end back wall. You need end walls when you don't want to add another module on this side. Then it's done. We have now connected some drawers together for our paint rack. In this section, I will build the multifunction drawer. First, I take the rail base and add 3 inner rails. After this, I add 2 snakebite connectors to the bottom rail insert and slide it into the inner rail to create a double rail. Next, I add 2 snakebite connectors to the front for the bottom rail and connect the front with the rail insert. I repeat this process for all 3 rails. Please note that the middle rail has a smaller front. Once this is all done, we can put in the carriage insert from above. For this drawer, you can choose between vallejo or citadel inserts. Other additional options may be added later. The multifunction drawer is now ready and needs to be connected with the other drawers. For this, I add 3 double snake bites to a basic wall and connect it with the rail base. After this, I add another 3 double snake bites to the rail base and connect it with the basic wall from our other drawers. For the last step, I take a left end back wall and add 6 double snake bites to it. After this, I connect the back wall to our paint rack system. If you want, you can change the inserts of your multifunction drawer. Just lift the old insert and put the new one from above in. Now it's done. We have built up 3 different drawers for our Master Painter paint rack. Stay tuned for the next how-to. The link to the Master Painter paint rack on Gamefound can be found in the description of this video. You can also follow us on TikTok or Instagram.